In this quick Godot tutorial, I'll show you how to change the background color of a button. By default, Godot buttons don't let you directly edit the background color, but there's a simple fix. First, add a new button node to your scene. With the button selected, go to the Inspector panel, find the Layout section, and change the size of the button to make it more visible. Scroll down until you see the Theme Override section. Open Styles and you'll see different button states like Normal, Hover, Pressed, Focus. Each of these states controls how the button looks in that condition. You'll see a StyleBoxFlat resource. Right-click on it and choose Make Unique. Now this button has its own editable style. Open the StyleBoxFlat settings. Look for the BG color property. Change it to any color you like. You can repeat this for hover and pressed states to create a full button color system. And that's it. Now you know how to change the background color of a button in Godot by making the style unique and editing the StyleBoxFlat.